everyone, and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I am Andrea, and I'm coming on to show you some new yarn that I got from a new place that I had never heard of before, and something that I wanted to share with you. And the company is called NuMei, and it's totally new to me, seriously. So I got this huge box of yarn because it is a warehouse full of yarn that's up to 75% off. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, the first thing I have in the box is called Cotton Spa. And as you can see, I got 10 of these. And this is 30% bamboo and 70% cotton. And it's packaged up very nicely. I really did like that. So excuse the rattling of the bags, but I wanted to open these up so you can see it and I can also feel it. It's not the softest cotton yarn at all, but it has a nice feel to it. This is made in Taiwan, and it's 1.75 ounces and it's 50 grams each. So it's 125 yards of this beautiful kind of rose color yarn, lavender yarn. So I got this for $14.90 for this bag. And I thought it was a great price for this. That would make a lovely top. And let's see if it says what the weight is. I didn't see the weight on this. Silver Swan. It doesn't say what the weight is. Color number 11. But it looks like it's a number 2. Or number 1. And you can let me know in the chat. Yes, but I had to get it because it was just a great price for that bag. Next, I got these hanks. I got a 5 bag of these lovelies right here. They are 100 gram hanks and they are 210 yards, which is 192 meters. This is called Yarn La La in Tune. And let's see what the colorway is for this one. I got 2 packs of these. They are $32.50, but as of today, they are $7.99 per hank. And I wanted to say I got it for $7.50 each hank, but don't quote me on that. I just know today is $7.99. And it's a light worsted. And look at this colorway. It is gorgeous. This is made in Turkey. It's 70% wool and it's 30% acrylic. It's called Yarn La La. Like, ooh la la. Yes, that's what this yarn is speaking to me. So, like I said, it's $32.50 for a bag of 5. But you can buy these individually. This color is number 41. And one is number 41 is called Sedona. That is what this colorway is called. And it has beautiful dark red, purple, a light cream color running throughout, brown, and blue in there. Very beautiful. Okay, this is the Majestic right here. And like I said, I got 5 of these. And it is color number 420. It's the same yardage, 210 yards. And this is soft. It's not super soft, but it has a soft feel to it, if you can understand that. And this is like a deep, bold colorway. and it has a dark teal, olive color, purple, browns, and a lot of dark muted colors running throughout this hank. And I thought this would really, really make something lovely if you wanted to do a sweater, a shawl. You could do hat and scarf sets with this. A beautiful dress, because you're getting 210 yards in this, so that's going to be 1,050 yards. So you probably could make something very beautiful with this. So very excited with that. I was happy with that purchase. Moving right along, we have the Berlini, and it comes in this, see, 3, 4, 5, 10 pack. And it looks really nice. I want to feel it and let you all know what I think about it. This is Berlini Mayfair, and this is color number 12, and it's caper, bag of 10, and this is made in Italy, and this is very beautiful. I like the feel of it. It is very tightly wound. So you can look right there. I hope you all can see that very clearly. 50% cotton and 50% acrylic, and it's 98 yards. And it's 50 grams, which is 1.75 ounces. This is very nice. I love the look of this yarn. It has a nice feel to it. It would feel nice on the skin if you're going to use this as a garment. And I think this was a great buy for getting 10 of these for $14.90. Now, if you don't want to get this Mayfair, you can see if you can get these individually. But when I test patterns and I do projects, a lot of times I need a lot of yardage. So that's why I purchased the bags of these. So in the bottom of the box, I got these lovely goodies. So I'm going to go ahead and dump them in here. And then I'm going to come back on and show you what I ordered. Okay, next up, I have the Merino Velvet. And I'm going to tell you that these two feel very different than the Mayfair. The Velvet is much softer. So if you want a softer yarn, you're going to go with the Velvet, which is a DK Super Wash. Oh my goodness. It's made in Italy as well. And it's buttery soft. This is a heavenly feel. Okay, this colorway right here is called the Asian Sea. This is a 50-gram ball, and it's tightly wound. And you see that you have the deep, dark royal purple, blue, and teal color, and lime green running throughout. This is beautiful, and it's $4.99 for that. I also got 103, and I'm looking on here to see. This is called Storm. And these have the darker colors, the deep purple, deep olive, and a deep blue color running throughout. And this is 100% super fine merino wool. Super soft. Let's see. I did get another one. And it is, okay, I got another Storm. So 2 of those, 3 of those. Here's another Storm. And 109 is the Asian Sea. I've been through the Asian Sea, and it reminded me of being on a ship. So that's why I got it. And I love the cream. There is a medium brown color in here, tans, and a natural bone color. This is just so pretty. This will make a lovely top. I would love this. Asian Sea. And again, it's $4.99. I got 108. This is called South of the Border with that deep royal blue. There is beautiful light bright yellow, orange, which is sort of a highlighter orange color, and lime green color. This Merino Velvet, oh, it is so lovely. And I had to get this because I just love the combination of colors and just that pop. It is just so rich. And I wanted to see what it looked like, and I also wanted to see how it felt. And it is uber soft. I would definitely buy this again. This merino wool. Berlini. Buttery. So I have, oh, this is another Mayfair. And I think that just kind of fell out. And the last two things would be this ladder ribbon yarn that I got. And this is color number 99. I'm holding in my hand with the different colors of blues. And it's light, medium, and dark blue. And you're going to get 142 yards in here, which is 130 meters. And it's 97% nylon and 3% lurex. And I got that one, and also color number 163, which has all of the beautiful spicy colors to it. So you have jazz, blue jazz, that's right here. And also the peppers, which is the colors of red, deep green, yellow, blue, black, you name it. It's in here. But spicy, if you think about spicy, that's what you're going to get in this ladder ribbon yarn. And I'm going to do something special with these. And it's on my list of things to do. And these were $6.79 each one of these. Oops. Well, that one ran away. Peppers was hot. And it grew legs and it ran, okay? I am not editing that out, okay? So, I'm telling you, I was very pleased with this purchase because, first of all, I'm going to tell you that I ordered this box of yarn on the 5th of March, and they FedExed me this box full of yarny goodness, and I got it today, which is the 10th of March, which is also one of my daughter's birthdays today. And it got here fast. So they are here in the United States, and I will maybe put up on the screen their website so you'll know that you're going to the right place. They also have a warehouse clearance, and they have tons of other yarn that's available that you can check out. So if you're into bargain shopping for yarn or checking out new yarn places, NuMei is the place that you'd like to go to. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description box down below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell, turn it on so you won't miss a notification. I do have a mystery box giveaway that I'm participating in that I will also put on the screen. Check that out as well. You guys have a wonderful and glorious day, and thank you for tuning in. Bye for now.